Yo, what is up, guys? It is Mario VR here. I'm collabing with Yoshi VR. He is already down, so I'm gonna meet him down. He told me to meet him down, like right now, so I'm gonna go down there. Don't mind that. It was just connected to something. So I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Oh, what's this? Okay, that's all I need. Alright. And I guess we're just gonna go mining. We'll go up here first. Yeah, this is I don't even know what this is. Yeah. I don't even know what you call this. Actually, we're gonna go. Whoa! Oh my! Oh, it respawned. Let's go. Oh, it makes it so much happier. Alright. Keegan, how much do you have?
I don't even know.
I think I run out. 7. Oh my god. I'm so heavy. I can't even grapple without grabbing something. What do I do? Do I just go back?
You leave the game.
Alright, hold up. Oh. I think I'm full. Alright, guys. So we're gonna go back. This video into. So. Alright, then we're gonna go back into this. Rolling back in. I love this new thing. It's so good. It's just good. It's good. Oh.
Yo,
Wait,
shut
just
up.
shut up.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh. So yeah.
Like, please, kill yourself.
Kill yourself, you little stupid ass nigga like your mom and dad left you shut the fuck up. Whoa.
Oh, wow. He said the N-word, guys. He's Sigma. He's real Sigma.
Pussy, I'm on Wickham. There's a green, ugly monkey going around.
Alright, yep. Okay. Alright. Keegan, you in here?
Yeah, I'm in here. I'm right here.
Okay, dude, I literally have a money
we didn't
talk.
friend each other?
Yeah, I don't think we ever did. Dude,
Alright.
I think I have money talks. I think I
Me
know what
too.
money talks.
Look how heavy I am.
Yes, bro.
We're gonna get so much money from this.
I know, bro. We're gonna get some money talks.
I put my video. I didn't say it in the video.
You only got 9? 13? Okay.
Not bad, because my thing was getting money talk.
I got 13 too, Keegan.
Wait, where'd you go?
Just everywhere, dude. I literally just went everywhere.
Wait, did you go to the lava mill?
Yeah, I went to lava.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, I went to lava. Oh my god.
20. Oh my god, 25K.
For real.
25,955.
Alright. That's not bad. Alright, so yeah, that is the tutorial on how to do this. I really just made a video on it. Not really a tutorial. But yes, I'm posting. Sorry about that. See you guys in the next one.